Oh, this episode will be fast. Esse episódio vai ser fast. Yes. Oh, I just want to share with you the power of nature. You see, this is the tray of the water. Yes, the tray of the water. You see, here, the tray of the water. So when it's raining, raining, nature, raining, raining, the water comes down from that point to down here. You see? Yes, so when it's raining, raining, it's not raining now. It's not raining now, okay? So when it's raining, the water comes from up there. It goes down here. So the water comes from up there and comes down here, okay? So that's why this little mountain there are a lot of trays, the trays of the water, okay? The tray of the water, so many trays. It's like a little canyon, yes, a small canyon, but it's not rock, it's dust, yes, it's the earth, terra, the dust, yes, it's the ground, o chão, okay? Nice. So this is the power of nature, yes, the power of nature, o poder da natureza, the power of nature. And God says we have control under nature. E Deus fala que a gente tem controle sobre a natureza. Então cuide melhor da natureza, ok? Take care better of nature. Cuide melhor de você. Take care better of you, okay? Exercise very often, okay? Usually exercise. Do exercises. Read, leia. Study Jesus, estuda Jesus. Study English with Teacher Lucas. Estude inglês com Teacher Lucas, okay? And get better, because life is a process. A vida é processo. And every day you do a little. Every day you do a little. Todo dia você faz pouquinho. Okay? Nice? So, this is the power of nature. The power, the power of God. Yes, the power of nature. The rain, rain. Okay, my friend? Bye. Big kiss from Teacher Lucas. Gostou? Vai lá no canal, se inscreve lá. Bye.